Excuse me?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over there because I don't want to yell back and forth with you.
I just want to know what you're filming.
Yeah, no, I'm just filming the town hall here.
Because...
Oh, I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
May I get your name so I know who I spoke with?
Liz.
Liz? Thanks, Liz.
You're welcome. Hi, are you filming?
Hi, ma'am, how are you?
Good, how are you? Are you filming?
Who are you first?
Who are you first?
No. Who are you?
I'm sorry, you're in my building. Who are you?
I'm in your building.
This is the town of Orangetown's building?
This is yours?
This is the town of Orangetown building. I work here.
Oh, okay. This is not your building. You don't own it, right?
I'm sorry, are you filming here?
You don't own the building. The people own the building, ma'am. This is a public building.
And
Respectfully.
you need to have, do you have a permit to film here?
Do I have a permit?
Yeah.
I do not have a permit, no.
Okay, so in order to film in this building, you need a permit.
That's not true. That's not true.
Oh,
Who are
really?
you? Yeah, really. Who are you? So I know who I spoke with?
I want to know how come you think you don't need a permit?
Is your name on your shirt? I can't really see. You work for the
Please shut
supervisor's
this out
office?
because you're not allowed to film here without a permit.
Ma'am, why are you becoming so
How can I
hostile?
help you?
How you doing, sir?
Officer Caleb, Orangetown Police Department.
How you doing?
What's going on today?
Nothing, just filming.
Okay.
He doesn't have a permit.
I don't need a permit.
I'm going to ask you to leave.
I'd like that shut
This
off,
is-
so I don't want
Exits
anything
this
on
way,
it.
you can turn it off, or I can take it from you.
Don't touch me.
You
If
can
you are
leave.
you ordering me to leave?
I'm ordering you to leave.
But I want that
okay.
filming, whatever's on his
Turn it
phone
off.
shut off. I
Don't-
want it right
I'm
to
walking
the
out.
phone.
Turn it off.
I want
This is
it
not
off
against
the
the law.
phone.
This is a constitutionally protected activity.
Turn it
I'm
off.
trying to. You're trying.
Turn off the phone.
I am trying to walk past you to
Turn off
leave.
the phone.
I want to make it clear. I'm trying to walk past you to leave because you're going to need some complaints.
Turn off the
Don't
phone.
touch my phone.
Turn it off.
Don't I have body camera on too. Don't touch my phone.
Turn
What are
it
you guys
off.
doing? This is against the law.
Give me your license.
This is against the law.
License.
This is against the law,
I'm
sir.
on your ID.
This is what crime have I committed?
I can ask you for your ID. You're
And
in a government
you
facility.
can ask me for
Where's
my
your
ID and I can decline.
Where's your ID?
I'm going to decline to give you my. It's my right.
Oh, you are? You
It's
can't
my
do that in
right.
a government facility.
Do you have reasonable articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime, sir?
You don't have a permit to
You
film
are-
in this
That's
in
building.
not a
government
crime.
facility.
That doesn't mean this is a public building. Go get your supervisor, please. I'm asking for your supervisor.
I'm going to wait right here.
I'm sure your policy states that if I ask for your supervisor, you have to get me one. So can you get me a supervisor? Because you're going to make a big mistake here.
What's my mistake?
Your mistake is you're violating my rights.
I'm not violating your
And I'm going to
rights.
hold you
You're in a-
accountable.
You are in a government building.
You just grab. That doesn't matter. This is a public
You're not allowed to
building.
film.
Yes, I am. This is a public building.
Don't have a
I'm a
permit.
journalist. I have freedom of
Like I
press.
said,
You want our supervisor?
Yes, I want your supervisor.
Come down to the police department side, and we'll bring our supervisor.
Great. Tell him not to touch me. Don't touch me
touch
again. You touch my You touch my camera.
You need to turn it off.
No, I don't.
You need a permit to film in this
No,
building.
I do not.
Yes,
Yes,
you
you
do.
do.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
Is that a law?
No, it's town ordinance.
It's not a law.
It's a
Town
town code.
ordinance.
It's not a law. Where's
You
the
don't want me to
code?
go get the town attorney?
Go
You
get
want-
him. I'm sure he'll educate you, ma'am. If he's
I'm
good at what
sorry.
his job, I'm sure he'll
Are you trying
educate
to
you.
insult me?
No, I'm
You
not
just
trying
said
to
I need
insult
be
you.
educated.
Yeah, because you obviously don't know freedom of press.
I issue the permits in this building and the town of Orange.
You obviously
for
don't
filming.
understand I
like
have
to-
a right to freedom of press, ma'am.
You do not have the right to film in this
I
building.
do. This is a public building.
Did you pay $5,000
This
to
is
issue a permit?
You're talking about for commercial film. Again, you need education. Go get the town attorney, please. You're talking about commercial filming, ma'am.
I'm not going to have you dismiss me like I'm some peon. Okay?
Ma'am, you've been treating me bad. You've
No,
grabbed my
you're-
camera.
you're
Please
walking
get me a
around this
supervisor, sir.
So come with me to the side, and we'll get supervisor.
Please get me a
This is
supervisor.
the town hall side. Come with me to the police department side. We'll get supervisor.
Don't touch me ever again. Please excuse me. Get out of my way. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sorry about that.
Come on, come on.
No, I don't trust this guy behind me. He's a
All right, so
loose
have him
cannon.
Walk in front of us then. I'll
Loose
walk with
cannon.
you, He can walk in front.
Loose cannon.
Come on,
Uneducated.
come
What are you in training, man? Like, I don't understand. What's wrong with
Why is he
you?
in training? Where did he give us the indication he's in
Because
training?
he doesn't understand that I have the right to film, number one. Number two, he puts his hands on my equipment, which he cannot do.
Right, but you don't have the right to film inside for no legitimate reason, which is what he was trying to explain to you.
No,
That's
no,
what
no.
we're trying to figure out.
First
what
of all,
you're
no one
filming for. Like, what-
exactly. I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story. I'm working on a story at City Hall. I have to go see the town clerk
Right.
to do a Freedom of Information Act request.
Okay. But you don't do that at the town clerk though. That goes to the records department. The Freedom of
No,
Information.
I'm talking about. I'm not talking about for the
So
police
here's
department.
links coming in, so-
I'm not
What's that?
talking. I'm not talking about for the police department, sir. I'm talking
Okay.
about for the town.
Okay.
For the town. So that's why I need to see the town clerk.
Okay.
But escalating the situation like that, that's not cool. Grabbing my camera, you know, ordering me to leave a public building. You have no authority to order me to leave a public building. I'm conducting business, constitutionally protected business, and I'm getting public services here. Just because I have a camera in my hand doesn't mean anything. I have the freedom of press. I'm an independent journalist.
Right.
And if somebody would have talked to me instead of trying to grab my phone and order me to leave a building, they would know all of these things. That's why de-escalation is so important.
And I'm sitting here talking to you.
Yeah, and that's why I appreciate you for doing that. Can I get your name and badge number?
Yeah, Makara, 218.
Makara? 218, thank you.
You got that. So, put the date that the incident occurred.
I don't exactly remember, but it was like June 2002.
Okay.
We'll wait till-
Ridiculous.
We'll wait till she leaves to talk
Give me as
again.
much
So
information as possible.
Yeah,
don't need to
but
put her on anything.
I mean it's public, but I mean I'm not trying to.
I hear you.
It is. I don't want to put anybody that doesn't.
Look it up. It's probably in archives.
Wow, that's insane.
The sergeant will email you with a response, okay?
Okay, how long this will take?
We have 5 business days to contact you. And the
You guys have no right to try and grab my phone. You have no right. I have the right to
Well, I
record.
wasn't there, so I don't know what happened.
Okay,
I
well
don't
that's
wanna- you know what I mean?
it's on
Like, I
it's
don't
on
wanna-
it's on body
I don't
camera.
want to speak on that because I
It's
wasn't
on body
there.
camera,
Right.
and it's on this camera.
Right.
You tried to grab my phone, not you. When I say you,
Generally
I meant
speaking. Okay.
the police.
Right.
I don't even remember his name at the moment, but
Okay.
he tried to take my phone from me. What authority does he have to do
Well,
that?
that's what I said. I wasn't there. I don't know, so I'd rather not speak on
Okay,
that. 'cause I
well
don't
that's
know
why
what
we're gonna get a
happened, so-
supervisor, right?
Yeah, he went in
Okay.
to get him now.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, my name is Mike Boyce. I'm the sergeant here at Orangetown PD.
What was your last name, sir?
Boyce, B-O-Y-S-A.
Boyza.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You requested to speak with the supervisor?
Correct, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to talk to me about?
Officer Califf,
Okay.
completely unhinged and out of control.
Okay.
Completely.
All right.
Attempted to take my phone from me. Like, when I say attempted, grabbed my phone and I had to wrestle it out of his hands.
Okay.
Ordered me to leave a public building while I'm conducting lawful business.
Okay.
And just completely unprofessional and unaware of the freedom of press that we have in this country. I told him, you know, no de-escalation technique whatsoever to try and figure out who I was, what I was doing here. Just allowed an employee from the supervisor's office to put a battery in his back. And like I said, immediately, I'm ordering you to leave this building right now. Didn't even ask who I was, what I was doing. No type of, you know, prerequisite questions as to figure out what my purpose is. This is our building. This is the town building. You need a permit to film. Again, all things that a police officer, I don't know if he's new. I don't know, you know, if he's been here for 20 years. I don't know. But the point is that a police officer should know. They should be properly trained not to put your hands on law-abiding citizens. Let me see your ID. Give me your ID. Give me your ID. I said, sir, do you have reasonable articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime or I'm going to commit a crime? I don't need that. You know, these things concern me, sir. These behaviors by law enforcement who took an oath to uphold the Constitution really concern me, and I want to file a formal complaint against this officer.
Okay. Do you want to provide me with your ID?
I can give you my name, sure.
Okay. All right. What's your first name, sir?
My first name is Sean, S-E-A-N.
S-E-A-N. Okay. And your last name?
Reyes, R-E-Y-E-S.
You want to give me your date of birth?
No, it's all
Okay.
right.
How about a home address?
I'll give you my cell phone number
Sure,
so you
cell
can
phone
reach
number.
out. Cell phone number. I'll give you my email as well.
Sure. What's your email?
Long Island Audit @gmail.com.
It was a new thing for us. It was definitely a new thing for people who were seeking help coming to
Okay.
us for drug help.
All right. So right now you're telling me you want to file a formal complaint?
Correct.
Okay. I'll get the paperwork for you. At this point, do you want to tell me why you came to the building today?
Well, sure. I mean, it's not a secret. You know, I'm an independent journalist, just like I
Okay.
told anybody else who took the time to ask me.
All right.
I'm an independent journalist, gathering content for a story, doing some Freedom of Information Act requests with the town clerk.
Okay.
That's it, and documenting my experience to disseminate to the public. That's all, peacefully.
Okay.
No issues. This is a public building. These are public areas of the building.
All right. So independent journalist, right?
Correct.
And you're gathering information.
Correct. As far as the layout of the building, you know, public records requests.
One of the most important components of the Hope That Happens program are angels. Angels are
Honestly, it shouldn't matter. It's just a public building, you know. But
Yeah, no,
I understand you just want
I just asked if you
information.
wanted to provide
Sure.
the information.
Sure.
Okay, I'll be back shortly.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Reyes. Okay, so I have a couple of forms for you here.
Okay.
civilian complaint against a police employee. So I'm gonna give you a pen here. Do you have a pen on you or no?
No. You know what? I'm gonna fill this out. Can you give me your email or internal affairs email, and I can email it over? And I'll definitely follow back up on it.
Would you be able to bring this original back here? Could you fill it out and bring it back to the police station?
Sure. Yeah, that's not a problem. Will you notarize it and then give it back to me? Give me a copy so I have you know what I mean? Like I have a signed copy that you received it.
I'll look into that, whether or not I can give you an actual copy of it. But what's going to happen is you'll fill it out when you come back here. I'll sign the bottom, confirming it. Okay, but we want to keep the original.
No, yeah, but I would just need a copy. That's all.
And I'll check on that at the time that you come back with it.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
So
I'll fill it out.
Hold on to these forms
Yep.
here. Any other questions for me today?
Nope, that's it.
Okay.
And I asked to speak with Sergeant Boysa.
Boysley, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. We're going to be submitting the formal complaint to the police department here.
Hello again, Mr. Reyes.
Hey, Sergeant. Here's the written statement.
Okay.
A little sloppy.
All right. Okay, we're going to look into the matter. Do you want to provide any video to us right now?
Can I get a card? I can email it to you.
Yes, I'll give you my email. Okay, that's my email address. You can take that with you.
All right.
And then email me the video. We'll be in touch.
Will do, Sarge. Thanks. Have a good day.
Filming in public areas or in publicly accessible areas inside government buildings is generally protected by the First Amendment and cannot be prohibited simply because a government employee dislikes it or personally believes a permit is required, unless there is a specific legal basis for that restriction. In this video, the person recording did not interfere with the agency's operations, yet was still ordered to leave, had someone attempt to grab his phone, and was asked to provide identification, even though the officers did not articulate any reasonable suspicion that he had committed a crime. Actions like these can raise serious constitutional concerns and questions about the legality of law enforcement's conduct. If you've ever been told to stop recording in a public place, leave a 5 in the comments below.
Living a dream.
Got a call about y'all videotaping people?
Yep.
Can I ask why?
Yep.
Can I ask why?
You can.
Are you gonna tell me?
Nope.
Okay. This is one of the First Amendment audit things?
It might be.
Might be. All right. Well, I mean, ain't nothing illegal about videotaping people.
That's absolutely right.
All right.
10-4. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah.
That's hard to see down there, ain't it?
64. 93 Central. I have a 1028.
So running my tag gonna tell you what's going on?
1160. My name is Officer Siddig. My badge number is 1272.
Siddig?
Siddig.
Siddig.
Yeah, SITTID.
I got you.
1272.
1272.
Y'all have a good
I
day.
got a question.
Yeah.
How come there's a gate here? Because this is public all the way down. And I asked the guy who come out and talked to me, and he said he didn't know. It's just kind of strange that they could close off a public road like this.
I'm not sure. I think at some point in time this may turn into private property. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I just thought.
Because some, you know, being state maintained, and then at some point in time they transition into like a dirt road. So I couldn't answer
Now I
that.
got one more question. Since you're a policeman, do you understand that the property line never comes to the road? That they don't own all the way to the road? It's always an easement on each side.
Yeah, I don't. You'd have to look at. I'd have
I've got
to
the maps and stuff.
get
Every
survey
place
maps
I
and all
go,
kinds of
they
shit.
never come to the road.
Do I now?
The property never comes to the road that they own. It's very rare that the road attaches to their property. Usually there's an easement on each side, and that's what creates a lot of problems with.
Yeah, I couldn't answer that. I know on my property, if you pull the maps and everything, technically my land goes to the middle of the road. I mean, I don't own the road.
Name and badge number?
Do what?
Name and badge number.
What's your name?
Puddingtane.
Okay, is that your real name? Or fake?
Yeah, that's my Puddingtane.
Audit thing. How far you want to push it? How far you want to push it? I ain't doing nothing.
Thank you. See, this officer here thinks he's going to do something illegal.
No, I didn't say you were.
Yes, yes. You're going to give your ID. Yeah, yeah. You're not getting it. If I'm not breaking the law, you're not getting nothing from
You got
me,
any more questions for
Big
me?
Daddy. Here's all cocky, getting out of his car, talking about you gonna give it to me.
I know it doesn't go to the center road.
You a joke.
But
Big joke.
I don't know. Well, is it a GIS map? Because if you pull up GIS maps, there's a disclaimer on there like, hey, you know, these are not exact. You know, for to be exact.
So you want to give me some more unlawful orders?
But what you can tell is by the whip.
Huh, Hoss? You never gave me your badge number and your name.
It shows the whip.
You gonna fail to identify?
Take a second look.
Just call you tyrant?
Check it out later. But that's all right. Just check it out when you get a chance.
Is it? I mean, what's the reason for the question? Are you asked about because they're saying they're on your property or something? Or you're on their property?
See this guy right here? He's a tyrant.
Well, I've always been taught to never say always.
But
there are exceptions to every rule.
But it's 99.5%. Everything's
There's always exceptions to the rules and all that stuff. So.
You know, the buildings are right.
How far you want to push it?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. All right.
Really.
Oh man, how far you want to push it?
Because I'm all about helping you guys.
Push these nuts.
So that you'll know what you're doing.
All right. Well, y'all have a good day.
Right on. Later, tyrant. You're dismissed.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Can I go home?
I'm talking to Hoss there.
Oh.
The tyrant.
I thought you were dismissed. I thought that meant I go home.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that too. Take the rest of the day off. See you later, tyrant.
The cameraman stood at what he believed to be a public entrance while recording a private facility. While one police officer appeared to understand the law and respected his right to film, the second officer repeatedly demanded identification without explaining the legal basis that would require the cameraman to identify himself. Although the two sides disputed whether the location was public or private property, the video does not show officers establishing a legal basis that would make refusing to provide identification a separate offense. In the end, the encounter concluded without any charges being filed or any enforcement action being taken, suggesting that the confrontation stemmed primarily from a disagreement over legal authority rather than from any proven violation of the law.
Roll it down. Roll it down. No? Are you scared? All right, I'll leave you alone. If you're scared, I'll leave you alone. He said he was scared, guys. I'm not here to try to pump no fear in nobody. You all know me better than that. Maybe this guy ain't afraid. Hello?
What are you doing back here?
I'm recording your cars.
Okay.
Checking out tires.
You're in a secured area.
Well, the sign said public. Public Works.
Okay. Here.
Okay, I came through that side. I looked at their cars first.
Okay.
I noticed these cars around here.
I'll show you the sign.
Hey, don't touch me.
Come on.
That's not right. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not right. What are we doing, fellas? Hey, leave that open.
You're in a
Because as soon as you understand what I'm doing here, I'm going to search that car.
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Okay. So you're in a secured area. It's clearly posted that it's not open to the public.
No, I came through that side that said public. And I walked around the corner and there was no more signs.
We're telling you that it's clearly posted right there. You need to leave.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll be reasonable, and if the signage is different on this side than the other side, then I understand that. Hey,
Well,
don't do that.
That's what I wanted to show
Don't
you.
do that.
You came up with me with a camera in my face.
Yeah?
All right.
So what are you
So
going
now
to
you
do?
can
You're
get
going
off
to
the
hurt me?
property.
Are you going to harm me?
You're going to walk up with me with that
Are
in my
you
face?
going to harm me?
I
I
haven't
didn't
done a
walk
thing.
up on you.
But
You
I'm
walked
telling you
up
to get off
behind
the
me.
property now.
I was
Walk.
talking to him.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, there's no reason to behave like that, Mr.
You can pronounce it.
Shoblin?
It's 10 letters long.
Shoblin?
Get off the property.
Okay. Do you have
Listen,
any identifying
walk up here with
numbers
me.
that go along with that?
Yeah, it's
Walk up-
238.
Walk up here with me.
238. Okay, I think you made a big mistake.
We'll show you the sign.
Okay, I'm going. I said I was willing to look at the sign, did I not?
Yeah, just walk with us. You're fine.
Well, get him away from me.
You're okay.
No, I'm not okay. I
You're
don't
the
want
one
you
who walked
behind
up on
me.
me with that in my face.
I don't want you behind me. This is going to turn into a big problem.
Keep walking.
You understand?
Keep walking.
Are we absolutely clear? You're pissing me off. You get the away from me right now.
Sir, you're on private property.
No, I'm not. This is public property.
He needs trespassed.
No. Hey, before you trespass me, call Rob Streck. Call Rob Streck. Get your hands off me, guy. I'm walking.
Look.
I'm not walking fast enough for you. You have to put your hands on me.
Right,
Baker, stop.
Listen, right there.
No unauthorized vehicles or personnel behind this point.
Exactly.
Well, you're adjoined to the other parking lot. You understand how it happened. All of this was wrong. Let's get the process started.
So
this
now,
guy
hey,
and this
time
guy.
Now you're on private property. We need your
No,
ID.
I'm not. I'm on the other side of the...
You're being trespassed
No,
from this property.
I'm telling you one more time.
Sir?
Call Rob Streck.
Sir, you are on private
Before you
property.
make a huge mistake. I just did this yesterday. This is Montgomery County.
So we're gonna need to see your ID.
I've already talked to him on the phone.
Go ahead and get your ID.
No, you'll arrest me and I'll get paid. That's the bottom line. I've already talked to him on the phone. You're wearing captain bars. How do you not know about yesterday and the day before?
So go ahead and get your ID out.
I don't have ID.
You're gonna have to show us who you are.
Okay, I just asked you.
Go ahead and get his name.
Name, date of birth,
We'll do a trespass.
No, you're not.
Except that we'll do it verbally.
Name.
Listen to what I'm trying to say to you. Are you not going to listen to me?
I asked you.
Is there not even the realm of possibility that I'm telling the
We
truth?
gotta get your name.
No, you don't.
What's your name? You're on private property. You trespassed on private property. We
Listen,
wanna know your name.
okay, let's try this a different way. If he has to call me at home again and apologize anymore and tell me I'm allowed to come down and inspect the condition of these vehicles, I don't think he's going to be very happy.
Sir,
And you're
you can
part
do
of
that out
Montgomery
here,
County.
but you can't do it inside the fence.
Okay, listen. I understand the signs are different on this side than the other side. You understand how it happened. What is so wrong about what happened? How is it criminal? How is it immoral? How is it
Tell us your
anything?
name.
Huh? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I haven't done anything wrong. If I made a mistake, which I guess I should have started over here instead of over there, you really should call him. I know you have a number. You tell him Ty Glenn from Gem City News is here. Would you like my card? We just went through this. You're hammered, dude. You're hammered. You were gonna hurt me. I know you were gonna hurt me.
Okay.
And that's why I do this.
So is this is who you are?
Limelight, you guys.
Ty?
Yes.
Okay, Ty.
No, hold on now. That's my business card, Gem City News.
Yeah.
I'm known as Ty Glenn.
Okay. Ty.
Okay?
If you
But Rob Streck will handle this.
Ty.
Either you can call him or I can.
Ty.
Yeah.
What's your goal?
You think I'm playing with you? Do you think I'm lying to you?
What is your goal today? What do you want?
I just wanted to make sure you guys are all running on good tires, right?
Yeah.
If he'd have rolled down the window, I was going to ask him if he was going to or coming from. And either way, please wear a seatbelt. It's the #1 killer of cops.
Thank you. You did your job. You're also verbally trespassed from the property. If you come here again, we will arrest you if you cross this fence. Do you understand?
Man, you're making a mistake, Captain.
Okay.
What's
Have
your
a good
name?
day. Let's go.
What's
guys.
your name? Are you refusing to ID?
Don't come across
Are you refusing to ID?
If you come across here, you're going to get arrested.
Are you refusing to ID?
You already said my name and I rang. Thanks.
Okay. I'll be seeing you soon, tyrant. Hey, and one more thing. Hey, my grievances, I'm addressing my grievances right now. I'd like a complaint form.
We need a complaint form.
Well, I don't have to tell you that. I just want a complaint form.
Yeah, I'm asking you why do you need a complaint form?
Because I want to
Simple
complain on
question.
an officer.
You want to? Come on in. Have a seat. Have a seat. Turn your camera off.
Oh, I'm not shutting it off. I'm scared to
Wait
death of you
outside.
guys.
Wait outside.
I'll wait in this little
Wait
area
outside.
for the
Wait,
piece
no,
of
you're
paper
gonna wait outside. Wait
for a
outside.
complaint form.
I'll get your complaint form.
Okay.
Yep, outside.
Boy, you guys should be proud of yourselves. It's gonna come undone. Hey, you guys gotta be the ones that tell him. You tell him that he tricked me and that you drew first blood. I just went through this with your sheriff, and he is your boss. You bunch of assholes.
Start up. Let me
Give
explain
me the
it.
papers and let me go.
explain it.
I'm going to explain something to you,
I'm
pal.
gonna explain to you.
I've been in contact with the
language
sheriff.
right
I don't
now.
have to watch the language. It's not against the law.
Do you want me to explain this to you or not?
Go ahead and explain it.
Start at the top. I need your name.
No, I don't have to do it with my name.
Then how you going to
I'm going to take it home. I'm going to
You
fill
have
it
a
out.
good night.
I'm
You have
going
a
to
good
call
night.
the sheriff,
You have
just
a
like
good
I
night.
did downtown. You guys better ask somebody because you just started World War III. Dumb ass. All right, guys. Captain Justice is coming. Pissed me off. And I ain't going to let him apologize to me again. I think I got played all the way around sideways. That's what I think.
The person filming stood in an area he believed was open to the public and repeatedly explained that he had entered through an entrance marked Public Works. However, the officers never identified any specific law making his act of filming illegal. Instead, they primarily insisted that he leave the area because they considered it off-limits to the public. The controversy was further intensified when the supervising officer repeatedly used his hands to push the cameraman back, even though the dispute centered largely on differing interpretations of the property's signage. This raises important questions about the limits of police authority when dealing with someone who is recording in what is believed to be a publicly accessible area.
Do me a favor. That's a victim of a violent crime. Just don't put his face on the news or anything, all right, man? Seriously, he just caught a ass beating, a serious ass beating, all right? You can film us. I don't care about that. This poor guy, he's 67 years old and just caught a beating. All right. I really don't want him to go through that.
Respect.
Thanks, man.
Right there. Come any closer?
Oh, come on, man. Shut your ass up and pay attention to your crime scene. You just seen the lieutenant walk by me and didn't say a word? Right. Now, who do you think you are? No, you look like an asshole. Okay, so just mind your business and shut up and do your job. Right. Don't worry about the camera. Right. You don't intimidate me. I'm not intimidating you. Well, then shut up. It's not my job. Then shut up. Tell him to calm down. Don't talk to me, talk to him. Talk to your coworker. Talk to your coworker. Okay. I'm not interfering. He wanted to say something to me. My attention away from the victim. No, you decided to come over here. You decided to come over here. You better learn who I am before you come over with that bull junk. No, you relax. I didn't say a word to neither one of you clowns.
Have a blessed day there, man, all right? Hey, nothing but love, okay?
Yeah, but you got to talk to them. I didn't say nothing to anybody. But you can't pick his side and just come to me. You got to tell him to chill. Right.
You see me doing this?
I still ain't see you tell him to chill.
I got shit to do, bro.
Tell him to chill.
We got busier things to do, man.
I can't tell. I might be intimidated next time. Next time I might be intimidated.
No problem, Mr. Nick. Words don't really hurt.
This raises serious questions about the professionalism of the officer's conduct. The sergeant did not cite any specific legal basis for objecting to the cameraman recording in a public area. Instead, he resorted to personal intimidation, making remarks such as, "You better learn who I am." When an officer cannot identify a clear legal justification and instead relies on threatening personal remarks, it is fair to ask whether that conduct is consistent with proper law enforcement procedures and the principle of respecting citizens' constitutional rights. We conducted this video to help viewers understand their legal rights with confidence and remain calm in difficult situations, and we do not promote confrontation.
Have the right to film in this
I
building.
do. This is a public building. This is
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
I'm going to take it home. I'm going to fill it out. I'm going to call the sheriff.
Last but certainly not least, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who worked for months on these videos to make them possible.